Welcome to today's portion of visual arts. In today's lesson, we will be going over some of the elements of visual organization. This short description and provision of visual examples of elements of visual organization is intended to be an introduction, not an in-depth study or lesson. To learn about or become familiar with 3 of the 8 elements of visual organization. Our target audience is elementary age public school students, specifically 8 or 9 years of age, around 4th or 5th grade. The elements of visual organization. Do you know what the elements of visual organization are? Do you think? What do you think they might be? What do you think the elements of visual organization might have to do with? Eyes, maybe? No, not eyes. Elements of visual organization have to do with seeing. The elements of visual organization have to do with seeing. Everything you see is made up of the elements of visual organization. People are, places are, and things that you see make up the elements of visual organization. Yep, that means everything. Anything and everything you are able to see is made up of one of the elements of visual organization. Our goal for today is to learn about 3 of the 8 elements of visual organization. Yep, there are 8 of them. We will start by learning about 3 of them. They are space, line, and shape. Again, that's space, line, and shape. Let's do an activity to help you become familiar with a few of the elements of visual organization. In the upcoming slides, you will see some visual images. Let's see if you can identify elements that represent each image or are part of each image. Are you ready? What do you see? If you mention line, you are correct. If you miss line, don't worry. We will be practicing so that you will be able to get it the next time. What do you see here? Yep, shapes. Great job. There are 3 basic shapes represented here. The first, the smiley face, represents a circle. The second is obviously what? That's right, a square. And the third would be a triangle. Black shape. Then look at the white shape. Where the black is black on one side, it is white on the other, and where there is white on one side, it is black on the other. The black area represents the positive space, and the white area represents the negative space, or the space surrounding an image. If you're confused, don't be discouraged. We'll get into further details of space later, but for now, just know whenever you see an image, there's space. Remember, both remember the positive space is the black. Remember, the black represents the positive space, and the space surrounding the positive space is the negative space. So the correct answer would be space. Thank you for taking time to go through part of our learning module. Feel free to repeat this portion of the module as many times necessary until you are able to share the title of visual images that make up everything we see and describe some of the elements from our original list. Thank you.